I'm Madison Rich, and this is UCC Talk 24. And here on this channel, we're all about the UCC, public and private rights, giving people information and knowledge to invest themselves. So today, I'm going to be talking about the stock market and the app called Webull.com. And it's basically a stock learning platform. You can trade stocks. When you first start out and you open an account, they give you free stocks on here automatically with a small deposit of $10 to $20 or whatever you want to invest. They're giving out free Google stock. When you sign up, they have a promotion going on. It's only going to last for about 7 more days. And as you see, based on 14 analysts, they give a recommendation of a strong buy, right? But they're going to be giving it to you for free. The link will be in the description. See how this popped up? Get up to 12 free stocks when you open and fund an account. So it's basically free money. Okay, and if you don't know a lot about stocks, this is they teach you how to trade stocks on here, and you can also practice. Like they have what you call paper trades. Paper trading, right, gives you a chance to basically practice trading stocks. So you get to practice it before you actually start practicing it. And they also have community groups here on this app where you can learn and get recommendations on what stocks to go for, which that could definitely help you out if you don't know that much about the stock market or how to trade stocks. This app right here will teach you, and they have training on here. This is a real top-notch trading platform that I've been dealing with these guys for over a year now. So I definitely would recommend that you grab these free stocks that they have. And if you do have money put aside that you can invest, I would definitely take a look at this, because you can learn and get training before you decide to actually to embark on trading. So this is definitely something you guys need to look at. Link will be in the description. And I'm gonna go to a couple. They even have crypto on there that you can trade. Also, this is the stock market list. It gives you the financials. You get news. You see that? You get news on the different stocks that you might want to buy. See, this is the Apple stock right here. Okay. And then when you're ready to trade, you just pick which stock you want. So this is UCC Talk 24, and I just wanted to give you guys a little nugget. This is basically free stock. You got to get your investment game up for 2023. Okay, this is definitely something you guys need to look into. It's free. Okay, and we'll be giving out more videos, giving you guys ideas on what stocks to invest in. And something else that's sweet about stocks. See, a lot of people don't know that it's two ways that you can make or have beneficial use of your investments on the stock market. Now, let's just say that if you invested $100,000 in a stable, high growth stock, right? If you want to go to get a loan for a house, you can put that $100,000 stock up as collateral, right? And while still making money on the stock market, you can use the money that you got by using the stock as collateral to make other investments. So that's what's sweet about that. And another thing that's sweet about the stock market, they have what you call a margin account, right? And this is real sweet. Let's say you have to have a minimum of $2,000 for this, though. If you invest $2,000 in a margin account, they're going to give you up to 4 times your money. So that means if I put $20,000 in, they're going to give me $60,000 to $80,000 credit. The money 4 times. So instead of having $20,000 to invest, you will have $80,000 to $100,000 to invest in the stock market. All right, but when you liquidate and you decide to sell, you have to give the broker back the money that you borrowed. So this could be very lucrative if you invested $20,000 and got $80,000 or $100,000 to invest, in that investment double in price. Or for that $20,000, you could be looking at over $150,000. So that could be highly lucrative if you know what you're doing. So a link will be in the description. You can play around with it a little bit. It's free to sign up. They basically give you free stocks with a minimum deposit. I think it is $10, and I might think it might even be cheaper than that if you just want to play around with it and look at and see what it's about. Like I said, they have what you call paper trades, where you can practice your trades before you actually decide to trade, and they have training platforms and all that other stuff. So link will be in the description. This is UCC Talk 24. I'm Madison Rich, and we will be back with more videos. Stay tuned.